AAOI Stock. This is for Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So, Applied Optoelectronics stock. That's just, I butchered up the name for sure. But yeah, we're 36.43% up for the day. So where the freaking heck are we heading next? This looks like a very good bullish chart from this 1-day chart time frame, you know, whatever. And I'll definitely give you that. You know, it's a proper good momentum. In my previous BAS, when I made the video, I was looking to take it out, but like this, everything just kind of got distorted and no rules got met. And right now, for sure looking to still buy this, but it's not as volatile as I would love it to be. You know, like when you have an edge, you obviously also look at that thing as well. If I see like a little pullback and then a break above this whole range and whatnot, maybe then this is something that I'll participate in. But this is just a maybe, purely because the second range hasn't happened yet. That's why I'm waiting and I put this in caps. So if you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.